Blocked nose and snoring? Try these natural ENT tips. You may hear that only surgery fixes adenoids. Not always true. Natural care can help. Adenoids often swell from allergies and infections. Step 1. Control allergies. Use a HEPA purifier in the bedroom. Wash sheets hot weekly. Keep pets out of the bedroom. Shut windows on high pollen or smog days. Use a dehumidifier if the room feels damp. Step 2. Nasal care. Saline rinses once or twice daily. Steam for 5 to 10 minutes. Plain water. Step 3. Boost immunity. Turmeric milk. Tulsi with honey. Above 1 year. Seasonal fruits. Nuts and dates. Skip excess sugar. Avoid cold drinks. Do breathing exercises daily. Avoid sprays and perfumes. Keep away from smoke. Gargle warm saline during infections. Use a humidifier in dry months. Elevate the head at night. Best for mild to moderate cases. If snoring, pauses in breathing, recurrent ear infections, or growth issues, see an ENT. Dr. Professor Vishal, Pathania.